Okay, well, the mystery has revealed itself. A lot of work. I used my handy dandy beam, which it's just to work with. I don't use it to pull motors, but it's nice just to be able to lift it up and work with it here. So getting the pan off was wonderful. There's a hidden bolt underneath the oil filter threaded bore. Yeah, there was always a hidden bolt, just like I've been saying. So I found it, got the pans off, and sure enough, that's not what I expected. I expected very little of anything in that pan except for maybe some little shavings of a bearing. But when I first listened to this, I thought it was a wrist pin or piston. Well, I wasn't too far off. I thought it was number 3, it ends up as number 2, and has a broken piston skirt. There's enough piston slapping the cylinders, I think it just beat itself to death and finally broke the bottom of the skirt off. So the bearings look fantastic. We pulled the caps off and they're beautiful. 258,000 miles and these bearings look fantastic. What a shame. So next project, and we're going to see what's available for parts. But mystery solved for now.